Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds blue into the...
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this blonde highlighted wig from UNice hair. So this unit I'm super excited to style with you guys and just install it. I did a very simple install today. I'm gonna do glueless, and with this wig it is definitely big head friendly. I did not even add a band in the back, and it's still, I had enough room and it was secure enough to wear glueless, so that was a plus for me. The hair was also super full and thick. For it to be blonde hair, it did not shed, tangle. It was super good quality, so I would definitely recommend this wig to you guys. Go ahead and check out my description box below. I will have coupon codes as well for you guys. And yeah, so this is the hair after I did shampoo and bleach the knots. I also did condition it and let it air dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to styling this wig. I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy the video. And again, all of the links are in the description box below if you want to try out UNice hair or if you'd like to purchase this wig. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, you send an action. These days, no quick my age. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, second chances. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds blue into the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds, 2 inches and slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my biggest shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you